Okay, this is from 7-6. This is problem number 2. Remember, our goal here is to go from a rectangular equation to a parametric equation. So just make sure we know what we're dealing with. This is the rectangular equation. This is one part of our parametric. But whenever we write parametrics, we have to have both an x equals and a y equals portion. So our goal would be to come up with another equation that uses y and t. And the way we do that is we take what we're given, which is x equals t, and x equals 2y plus 1. And hopefully we can see, all right, well, I've got something that can take the place of x, and that is just t in this situation. So I'm going to replace all of my x's in my other equation with t's. So what I get from that is t equals 2y plus 1. But remember, my goal is to try to get something that says y equals something with t in it. Well, I'm one step closer. I've got an equation that has y and t. Now I just need to solve for y. So in this equation that I've written, I'm going to subtract 1 from both sides. I get t minus 1 equals 2y. And then I'm going to divide both sides by 2. So what I get is t minus 1 over 2 equals y. That is what I was looking for my parametric equation. So I can come back up here and I can say, all right, well, let's fill in what y equals. Y equals what I just wrote here, t minus 1 over 2. Then in Go Formative, what I'm looking for is these two equations will be your answer. Because remember, whenever we write parametric equations, we have to have two equations, one that uses x and one that uses y, and then both of those equations use t.